Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on vacation mode on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're going on vacation for a week, and you basically want to notify your team on Asana that you're going to be away for a certain time period. How do you actually go ahead and turn on vacation mode on Asana? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Asana. Next, on the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click on your profile icon name. Then click on Settings. And then from here, you're going to scroll all the way down. And you're going to see this toggle button that says Set Out of Office. So you can toggle this off. And then when you toggle it on, it's going to show you a first day and last day. So let's say that you're going on vacation on the 20th and then you'll be back on the 27th. You can set those dates and then go ahead and exit. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on vacation mode on Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.